हाउ टू क्रिएट डिजिटल पोस्ट। बहुत सारे लोग मुझे पूछ रहे थे कि अमित भाई, डिजिटल प्रेजेंस करने के लिए if I need to create post, what kind of software do you use, or what do you actually use to increase your digital presence? So to increase your digital presence, we need to have a good post being done either on Facebook or on Instagram or LinkedIn, and some of the fantastic tools which are available. अगर मैं बाहर किसी इन्फोग्राफिक वाले के साथ में या कोई क्रिएटिव आर्टिस्ट को पकड़ने के लिए जाता हूँ, they charge me nothing less than 250 to 300 rupees per graphic. And while I was exploring this, I found out one tool which was fantastic, and I wanted to share this tool with you. Hope this particular video gives you a lot of idea about how do you create a video post, how do you create your image post which you can use on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, as well as all the social platforms that you want. Let's dive deep into it. So up till now I was using Canva, और मेरे साथ जितने लोगों ने कोर्स किया है ऑनलाइन इंश्योरेंस सेल्स मॉडल या मास्टरी, आप सभी को पता है मैं Canva यूज करता था. And I was in the paid version of Canva, and here I found something which was extraordinary. Let me show you the demo first, and then we will talk about what is the pricing, and that can really help you out. So ये Crello का पेज है, and in this you can create so many things. कस्टम डिज़ाइन आप कर सकते हैं, YouTube का थंबनेल, Instagram पोस्ट, स्क्वायर पोस्ट, Facebook पोस्ट, Instagram वीडियोस, ये सारी चीज़ें आप लोग यहाँ पर कर सकते हैं. Now, in fact, we are going to look over here on something for post. So let me search for Facebook post. So once I go in this post, the best part over here is, suppose मैं यहाँ पर रिटायरमेंट के बारे में बात करना चाह रहा हूँ, तो I'll put it as retirement. If I search on retirement, I get good images which are already prepared on retirement, right? मान लीजिए मैं इसमें से कोई एक पोस्ट को सिलेक्ट करता हूँ. Let me select this post. As soon as this post is loaded over here, you will find एक पोस्ट अपने पास रेडी बन के बैठा हुआ है. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज आई कैन चेंज लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. जैसे यहाँ पर कम्युनिटी डेंटल सर्विस दिया है, आई डोंट नीड दिस. सो यहाँ पर आई वुड कोट दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ happy retirement planning. इसको मैं हटा देता हूँ. I don't need this. डेंटल का इमेज भी मुझे यहाँ पर नहीं चाहिए, स्माइल भी मुझे नहीं चाहिए. इसको मैं ऊपर ले लेता हूँ. This is an example of happy retirement planning. I want to put it at center. इसको सेंटर कर लिया मैंने यहाँ से, एंड यहाँ पे लेट मी पुट एट लेट्स टेक द वाइज स्टेप ऑफ planning. So simple, right? I want to increase this. I can increase the size. I can reduce the size. I want to make some movements here. मैं इसका movements यहाँ पे कर सकता हूँ. I want to explore this here. ये बिल्कुल सेंटर में मुझे यहाँ पे दिखे. And this is done. और एक बार यहाँ पर मैंने इस चीज़ को यहाँ पे यूज़ कर दिया है. I can even say click click the link below. Let me increase. आप देख रहे हैं कितना क्लियर है पिक्चर यहाँ पर, एंड दैट्स व्हाट इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट विथ आवर पोस्ट. लेट मी राइट, click the link below to get free ebook. You know, I have always been telling that ebook works out to be as a good lead magnet. Click the link below to get the free ebook on happy retirement. I need to increase the size. Let me put it at even higher. Say 30. इसको मैं क्लिक करके I'll resize it. Again I'll shift it a little up. Now it hardly takes 3 to 5 minutes to create this kind of an image. Click the link below to get the free ebook on happy retirement. Now I'll just shape this thing. It works out to be good. या तो फिर आप लिख सकते हैं click the link below to get in my free WhatsApp free private group. On retirement. See, we want quality prospects. How do we attract quality prospects? By letting them know what are the kind of outcomes that we can help them. If the person is interested and he joins the group, clear cut indication है this person is open to discuss about the retirement planning, whether insurance, whether mutual funds, whether health insurance, जो भी product आप वहाँ पर pitch करना चाहते हैं, that becomes secondary. Now the best part is that यहाँ पर background के अंदर suppose I want some kind of change in the color. I want to change the color of my text. मैंने एक text का color यहाँ से change कर दिया. Suppose I want to have any kind of backgrounds, तो backgrounds भी यहाँ पर कर सकता हूँ. But right now, let's go with this and it's so simple. You can use this. इसको मैंने download कर दिया. I will download from here. And straight away I can even share. I can share to Facebook. I can share to embedded link. Share to any design. Facebook ad manager के साथ में मुझे करना है. I can do that. And it becomes as an easy option for us to practically, download as JPG, PNG, transparent, PDF. I want to go it as JPG image. JPG image के अंदर मेरे download के अंदर ये हो गया. Now the best part of this, that is, you can create lot of videos, informative videos with the help of Crello. There are certain paid things and certain free things. You can explore this. And practically जब मैं Canva use करता हूँ paid version, so I know that it is costing me nearly $12 per month. उसके comparison में Trello was fantastic, whereas the images were concerned, whether the video things are concerned. अब इसके अंदर मैं यहाँ पे videos के अंदर कर देता हूँ retirement. Okay, see there are so many good videos, मान लीजिए इसको मैंने हटा दिया यहाँ पर. I do not want now, but I want to create a video. So I will go again and templates में I'll go to my home page and I'll go to my projects or maybe I'll go to new design, right? और यहाँ पर आप जो जो चीज के लिए आप अपने डिजाइन्स को चूज करना चाहते हैं आप कर सकते हैं. फेसबुक वीडियो कवर बनाना है आपको, यू कैन इवन क्रिएट अ फेसबुक वीडियो कवर. You all know that I always tell have a specific market. और स्पेसिफिक मार्केट के लिए अगर आप चाहते हैं कि अपना बढ़िया तरीके से अगर कवर पेज भी यहाँ पे तैयार हो जाए, सो वी कैन राइट डाउन ओवर हियर से फेसबुक कवर. So I did this Facebook cover, blank रखता हूँ. There are so many lovely covers which are already been there. But let's create some video cover. And I want to say this video and I want retirement. आप एजुकेशन प्लानिंग के लिए एजुकेशन के वीडियोस भी देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर. रिटायरमेंट. I click this. See beautiful big pictures. Let us see what this video is all about. Let me say see something which is different in your Facebook cover, Facebook page, and which makes our impression better. I'll select this. It's getting different. Just talking about expressions. Right? यहाँ पर मैंने टेक्स्ट ऐड करना है तो I can always choose the text box from here. I'll add text and welcome to this welcome to Wealthy Toddlers community. All those who have already done my courses, you know what I'm talking about. And those who have not done my courses up till now, I would sincerely suggest that the markets are changing और online space पे अपने आप को अगर हमें लेकर आना है, then we need to create some kind of a different impression. I can select that. I can change the fonts from here. You all can explore while after you do this. I'll change this. ये यहाँ पर change हो गया. Wealthy Toddlers community. Welcome to Wealthy Toddlers community. And in fact, I can even put any kind of another text stating I am happy because I did my planning. Have you? Question mark. Okay, I created this. और इसको मैं शिफ्ट कर देता हूँ नीचे. I can reduce the size from here. Say 18 and इसको भी मैं कर देता हूँ बोल्ड. Okay, easy. You can write down in the comment box how are you finding this, and do you find this kind of tools to be very very useful, because this will help you to save a lot of cost by not hiring, and it gives you ultimate freedom so that you can actually create your own themes, you can create your own self very easily, and something at free, something at some cost. Now again I download this, and this is done as a Facebook cover for me, और MP4 में इसको सेव करना है because this is a video format, and then you can go to your Facebook page and just upload that as a Facebook cover. Coming to the pricing, what is the pricing for Crello? जब मैंने Crello की वेबसाइट के ऊपर गया, this is Crello website, and I saw about the pricing. Where is the pricing? When I saw about the pricing, and I was surprised again. Let me check with account, billing, and subscription. और अगर मैं सब्सक्रिप्शन के ऊपर जाता हूँ, and I am, there are a lot of other features, you know, you can definitely check. Accounts. Let me see, is there any kind of pricing which is mentioned here? होना ही चाहिए, because I am not finding Crello. Pricing. जैसे ही मैं इसके प्लान्स पे जाता हूँ, आई गेट अबाउट $799 पर मंथ, एंड वो भी मैं ईयरली पे करता हूँ, और पर मंथ में अगर इसको पे करता हूँ दैट बिकम्स $999, विच वर्क्स आउट टू बी $120. बट what if I tell you that we can get this available only for $49? And that was a surprising thing for me, and that is why I thought that I should share this information to you. I'm going to put this link in the description. Just click that link. That's my affiliate link. आप उसके अंदर click कर सकते हैं, and you can buy this at just $49 for the lifetime. यानी lifetime तक का अपने को कोई भी cost, अगर हम कोई creative बनाना चाहते हैं तो इसके लिए हमें ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ता करने के लिए. You can click that so that you can have the benefit. If you are using Canva और paid version use कर रहे हैं, I'll tell you that this works out to be one of the best solutions for you. So you can check the special thing that is available for you. I'll tell you, अगर मैं child education planning के ऊपर भी बात करता हूँ, if I'm just focusing on a very specialized concept, just child education, and if I'm typing this, you can see the kind of photos that are available to you. मान लीजिए इस फोटो को मुझे यूज करना है. अब अगेन व्हेनेवर वी आर क्रिएटिंग अ न्यू थिंग, वी हैव टू क्रिएट अ न्यू डिजाइन. सो मान लीजिए आप फेसबुक पोस्ट बना रहे हैं, यू आर क्रिएटिंग अ फेसबुक पोस्ट, एंड इन फेसबुक पोस्ट यू वांट टू यूज फॉर चाइल्ड एजुकेशन. सो देयर आर वेरियस अदर कैटेगरीज जिसके आप यूज कर सकते हैं. चाइल्ड एजुकेशन, देयर आर सो मेनी pictures. I can use this back to school. Anything, you know, that अगर आप एक्सप्लोर करेंगे आपको इसमें से बहुत सारे इमेजेस आपको मिल सकती है. Yes, there are a lot of paid things. Canva is something that you can use for paid. अगर आप प्रोफेशनली बहुत बढ़िया इनफैक्ट YouTube के थंबनेल भी बनाना चाहते हैं, YouTube thumbnails, you can see what are the kind of thumbnails which are available to you. Again, I go to new designs and I select YouTube thumbnails, and just check the kind of colors that is important, because अगर इतने सारे YouTube के अंदर अगर अपने इमेजेस को बाहर निकलना है, now depending upon your subject, depending upon your things, let me check. अगर यहाँ पर मैं रिटायरमेंट डालता हूँ तो what is it coming? Retirement. So there is no such thing over here, but you can always choose something from here and उसको आप convert कर सकते हैं with adding any kind of photo images that you want for yourself over here. But in fact, I can even crisscross. For example, I'll take it from images, photos में. I'll choose a retirement picture from here. I'll put it over here and create this thumbnail. You can see how easy it is, provided you just have little practice to be done. एक बार इसमें प्रैक्टिस किया तो आप बढ़िया तरीके से इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. Correct. I want only Facebook face covers. मैं इतना यहाँ पे ले सकता हूँ. I'll put an object अगर डालना है यहाँ पर. So I'll go to the object. मैं यहाँ पे money लिखता हूँ. Let me see what is there in money. इसको select कर दिया. इसको ऊपर लगा के I can create. So explore something like this if required. Otherwise, just click on text and create. How have you made? Have you prepared your will? Suppose I want to create this for will planning. Now something like this gives a better image. इसको मैंने कर दिया, इसको बड़ा कर देता हूं मैं. Let me just put this as a full image. इसको यहाँ कर दो. I'll increase the font size over here. Put a little dark. Bold. With this, have you prepared your will? So I can increase this size. Still, if I want more, again I'll increase the size still further. Eye catching. So, just moral of the story is you don't need to hire anybody who is there outside and you can just learn with your own self. Crello का link मैंने description में दिया हुआ है. If you are really interested, go and pick up that. That's $49 and I think this is something which is mind blowing and with a very cost effective. If you like the video, subscribe at the same point of time, share with the other friends. They'll save a lot of money by not giving it to anybody else. and they can have the freedom of creating the entire content with themselves. Thank you so much and bye bye.